IBF study, which estimates the Indian healthcare industry to be worth $372 billion by 2022. So healthcare is possibly the most varied sector with startups like from each and every sector, be it telemedicine, online pharmacy, personal health management, home healthcare, medical devices. You talk about anything, even diagnostics, biopharma, genomics. There are so many. So in your view, how are the Indian startups contributing to the economic and social growth of India?
So Smita, I think the healthcare industry definitely is set to boom. And I'll add one more figure to the number that you said, which is just the telemedicine sector alone is expected to grow across $5.5 billion by 2025, which is just about 4 years away. So I think with that, we are by far one of the fastest growing sectors in the country today. I think situations like the COVID pandemic has thrown even greater light on this sector. Startups, I think, are the ones who are really fueling this growth. Obviously, there's infrastructure, which is hospitals, etc. They're doing their bit, which is part of the 300 billion number that you talked about. But the real digitization of the healthcare ecosystem and the real digitization of health is being driven by startups. Some of them could be the mature startups I'm sure you've heard the story where the likes of PharmEasy and others who are, I would say, the mature startups. And then there are younger startups like ourselves who are trying to do a little bit. But I think it's very interesting to see that whether it is healthcare delivery, whether it is a specialty. So there are certain startups which are focusing on creation of services for certain specialties. And then you have AI companies which are coming in, again, startups which are focusing on bringing in AI for diagnostics and so on and so forth, including oncology, etc. So I think the startup ecosystem today is what is fueling the innovation that the healthcare industry very much needs. It is fueling the research and development and the fuel of digitization that the healthcare industry needs as a whole.